Come here, Bella. What are you doing, Bella? Oh, that's great. Thank you. Hi, Izzy. I don't know what she's doing. She must smell herself in it.
Smell that. Smell weird.
That's what she's doing.
That nice smell of the horse poo I tried to roll in.
Yeah. Crazy dog.
Izzy just wants to play. Izzy! Izzy!
Bella, what are you doing?
You're shedding all over me. Cheddar.
Poor Bella Boo. Poor Bella Boo, what are you doing?
I don't smell the same anymore. What is wrong with Izzy?
Just checking out. That was good. Get her, Bella. Go get her, Bella.
Get her, Bella. Get her.
Oh, Bella's getting mad.
Get her, Bella.
So vicious. There they go.
Izzy! Come here! Come here, Pops! Come here, Izzy! All right! Be nice!
Why? So Izzy can jump on Bella, but Bella can't? That's right, Bella. You show her who's boss. Oh, God. Izzy, you are a little brat. That a girl.
They're playing, right?
I'm pretty sure they're playing.
Come here! Bella's so loud when she plays. Come here! Come here!
Oh. Oh, Bella, come here, Bella Boo. All right, come here, Bella. Come here, Bella. Hush.